Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to block all cookies in Safari. So for you to do that, you have to open your settings icon, then you scroll down a little, then scroll down and tap out Safari. Okay, Safari is on that first time. Just go up again. Safari, how is it? Safari, I know it's not the first time. This is it, Safari. Then you tap at it, then you scroll down a little, then scroll down, and right here you're gonna make sure you toggle this on in your Safari in settings. Block all cookies from websites. Cookies are like a remnant data store background from websites you visit over times, and when they keep piling up, they added to the consume space. So once you just block them from accessing your data, then you can have more time to navigate through website. So if you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.